Hi everyone, I'm Jack Mead.
And I'm Lydia Wolf from Jack and the Wolf here in the UK.
This is our beautiful model Amelia.
And today we're going to be creating a modern grunge style with a wet look finish using KMS products.
Another trick when creating this haircut is to keep your elbows and your shoulders nice and relaxed, because this is going to keep your elevation low, which for me is what makes this haircut so edgy and cool. As soon as you start elevating higher, you're going to create a softer shape and you're going to create more volume, which is just not what we want for this really edgy, cool grunge style. We've kept all the length in the fringe, but because I've been using a razor, I've got this amazing texture. So even though we've got length, we've also got some really cool little short bits. Now again, keeping all of the length, but we've got this really cool wolf cut-esque, really commercial and wearable, but really on trend. And I think she looks amazing.
So now we're going to finish the look in a really cool wet look style. And first thing we need to do is make sure that the hair is 100% wet. And then we're going to go through and we're going to apply the Hair Play Styling Gel. This is a really cool firm hold product, but it still has quite a lightweight feel. So whatever style you create isn't going to feel weighed down or gloopy. This is the finished result of our modern grunge style with a wet look finish. We really hope you like it.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.